In this video, I'll talk about how you can get coins on Temu completely for free. Now this is something called affiliate, and what you want to do is search for Temu referral or Temu affiliate program, come in here and quickly sign up. After that, you want to log into your account, and once you're in here, you'll get a unique link. So you can see I have a link here for this bundle, I have a link here for this one, and I have a link here for this one. So this is for all users. This is for new app users. So a new app user means if I give someone this link and they sign up as for the first time, I'll receive some sort of commission. So if I press share here, you'll be able to see I get this big one here, but I can just copy the link if I only want to have the link. So this is how it works. You just want to send these to anyone. Of course, don't spam people, but if you make a video about it or you send it to your friends and they sign up using these and they follow some steps, then you will be able to get free money. So that is how it works. You can also head over here to invite affiliate, and you'll be able to see that you can earn up to 37 euros, which is a little over $40, I believe, per people that you invite. So the way that you earn the most is if you invite affiliates with over 1,000 followers. You can click here and you can get your link, copy link, and that's how it works. Now keep in mind, usually when you invite someone, they have to complete some sort of task like buying their first thing or putting money onto the side or something like this before you actually get your referral. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.